Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Imagine a world where technology makes everything faster, smarter, and better connected. Well, that world is not as far away as you might think. Today, we're going to explore 10 life-changing tech innovations that will shape our lives by 2025 and beyond. These aren't just futuristic ideas, they're on the verge of becoming our new reality. Let's jump in. 1. Digital twins. Virtual replicas of the real world. First up, we have digital twins, virtual replicas of physical entities. These digital models will allow us to simulate and analyze real-world objects, from entire cities to complex industrial systems. In 2025, expect smart cities and smart factories to use digital twins to optimize energy consumption, monitor infrastructure, and predict maintenance needs. Think of it like this. A digital twin of your city will allow city planners to test new policies, simulate traffic patterns, and even predict the impact of natural disasters, all before taking action in the real world. This tech could completely transform urban planning and disaster management. 2. Biodegradable electronics, tech that won't harm the planet. Next, we're talking about biodegradable electronics. E-waste is one of the fastest-growing environmental problems, but by 2025, we may have a solution. Biodegradable electronics are being designed to break down naturally after use, reducing the harmful impact of electronic waste on our planet. These devices will be made from sustainable materials, and once they've reached the end of their life, they'll safely break down without leaving harmful toxins behind. It's a win-win for technology and the environment. 3. Autonomous delivery drones. The future of shipping. Imagine ordering a package and receiving it within minutes, delivered by an autonomous drone. By 2025, this will be a common experience. Drones will be able to navigate around urban landscapes, avoiding traffic, delivering packages directly to your doorstep with incredible speed and efficiency. Not only will this drastically speed up last-mile delivery, but it'll also reduce emissions and traffic congestion, providing a greener and faster alternative to traditional delivery methods. These drones will soon be delivering everything from groceries to electronics right to your door. For brainwave-based communication, talking without words. How would you like to communicate without speaking? It sounds like science fiction, but by 2025, brainwave-based communication will allow individuals to send messages, control devices, and even interact with computers through thought alone. With neural interfaces, your brain's electrical signals will be translated into actions, whether that's controlling a smart home or sending messages to a friend. This could revolutionize everything from accessibility for people with disabilities to the way we interact with technology on a day-to-day basis. 5. Personal AI assistants. Your very own digital companion. Artificial intelligence is getting more personal. By 2025, we lions all have our very own AI assistants, not just the ones you interact with through your phone, but fully integrated systems that learn your habits, preferences, and even your emotional state. Imagine an AI that can help plan your day, suggest new activities based on your mood, or even offer emotional support when you're feeling down. These personalized digital companions will understand your needs better than ever and help manage your life in ways that make things easier and more efficient. 6. Exoskeletons for enhanced human strength. Want to be stronger and more agile? Exoskeletons will give us superhuman strength. By 2025, these wearable suits will assist people in physically demanding jobs, help individuals with mobility issues, and even aid in rehabilitation. Exoskeletons will be used across industries: healthcare, construction, manufacturing, and more. Whether you're lifting heavy boxes at work or regaining mobility after an accident, this tech will give people the ability to perform tasks that were once impossible. 7. 3D printed food. The future of eating. Food tech is about to get a major upgrade. 3D printed food will allow chefs and everyday people to print their meals directly from a digital file. By 2025, you could be printing your breakfast, lunch, or even customized snacks right at home. Not only will this allow for personalized nutrition based on dietary needs, But 3D food printers can also help tackle global issues like food scarcity by creating nutrient-rich meals from limited resources. Imagine printing a meal that's not only delicious, but perfectly tailored to your health. 8. Digital identity. Secure, seamless, and all-in-one in 2025. You may no longer need a wallet full of cards or passwords to access services. Digital identity systems will use biometric data like fingerprints, facial recognition, or voice patterns to provide secure access to everything from your bank account to your health records. This tech will not only simplify everyday life, but also increase security and reduce fraud. By integrating your identity into a digital ecosystem, it will be easier to interact with services, whether online or in person. 9. Autonomous robots in healthcare. Caring for the elderly and sick in healthcare. Autonomous robots are becoming an invaluable tool for providing personalized care. By 2025, robots will assist in nursing homes, hospitals, and at home, providing elderly patients and those with disabilities with daily care and companionship. These robots will be able to monitor health data, perform basic caregiving tasks, and even interact socially with patients. This is particularly important as the global population ages and there is an increasing demand for care services. 10. Smart fabric and wearable tech. Clothes that do more than cover you. Finally, let's talk about smart fabrics and wearable tech. In 2025, we'll be wearing clothes that do more than just keep us warm or stylish. Smart fabrics will monitor health metrics, regulate body temperature, and even power your devices on the go. Imagine wearing a jacket that adjusts its warmth based on the weather, or shoes that monitor your step count and posture. These innovations will blur the lines between fashion and technology, making our clothes as intelligent as our phones. These 10 life-changing tech innovations are just the beginning of a future that will make our lives easier, healthier, and more connected. The world is changing, and these advancements are going to reshape everything from our daily routines to how we interact with the world around us. Which of these innovations are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting insights on the tech of tomorrow. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.